I used to fear losing people, but I discovered the power of finding security within myself. When you rely too much on others, you hand them the keys to your peace. Here are 5 ways to find strength in yourself and cut off the wrong people without feeling regrets or sad. 1. Control your attachments. Need makes you vulnerable. The more you crave someone's presence, the more they control you, so master detachment. Keep people close, but never let them think you can't leave without them. Controlling attachment helps you walk away easily. 2. Observe, then eliminate. Not everyone deserves a seat at your table. Watch how people move. If their presence drains you, if their words plant doubt, cut them off swiftly and without regret. The longer you hesitate, the weaker you appear. Early elimination avoids attachment with the wrong people. 3. Don't rely too much on people's assistance. Dependence is a weakness people exploit. The more favors you need, the more control they have, and the more you find it difficult to cut them off. Build your own resources, and owe nothing to anyone. Independence is power. 4. Be prepared for anything. People always leave. Betrayal is a matter of time. Friends turn into enemies, lovers lose interest, and even family can switch sides. Never let it catch you off guard. Always remember, an old friend can become a new enemy. When you realize somebody's sudden actions, start the cutting off process immediately. 5. Become your own power source. Confidence is built in solitude. Sharpen your mind, strengthen your will, and cultivate resources that make you independent. The strong attract loyalty, the weak beg for it. These 5 ways will help you find strength in cutting off the wrong people. If you find this video helpful, please show appreciation by subscribing to this channel. Share your personal tip on how you stand strong when the wrong people who mean a lot to you walk away. Don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.